Hi and welcome back. Welcome to this showcase for our 2015 BMW 330 diesel. This incredible car has only 19,000 miles on the clock. It features the M Sport Plus package, but it also benefits from the factory M Performance Pack additions that you'll see here. This is not a sort of cheap body kit or anything like that. This is literally being fitted by BMW. It's all genuine. All the wheels are genuine. If you look online, they seem to be retailing for around about £3,500 just for the wheels. The body kit is full M Sport M Performance. Beautiful fit, beautiful finish. It looks so striking. Really does stand out. You have this wonderful deep front splitter here with the lower lip that runs all the way along the front of the car. The lip continues all the way down the side, as you'll see here, and then we also have the M Performance emblems up towards the back as well. Makes the car look a lot lower, and certainly obviously looks incredibly sporty. The wheels are absolutely beautiful, 20-inch, very large, complemented with the M Performance brake calipers that you'll see there, with uprated braking. And then if we come round to the back of the car, also have a completely unique rear spoiler and then rear diffuser at the back there as well. So it does completely look different to standard M Sport models, even if you have the M Sport Plus package. So yeah, just a quick look around the car. I mean, it is absolutely as new, pretty much. It's supplied by BMW 2 years ago at 8,000 miles, and the second owner only covered 11,000, I think, within that time. So the clock has literally just turned over 19. Absolutely perfect paintwork. Not a blemish to point out to you at all. The silver looks absolutely fantastic against the black sort of accents of the body kit. I think it probably suits the colour better than most. Barely even a stone chip to mention. You're obviously going to get tiny little chips, but I've been looking and really there's nothing to point out. The car is pretty much perfect. All alloy wheels completely unmarked, apart from the front passenger wheel, which, just because it's been done on the black, has been sort of touched in at the side. You have to look quite closely to see the damage on there, but that really is very minimal. Obviously these are diamond cut in the middle and then finished with this sort of satin black here. So obviously having the full wheel refurbished would be quite costly and time consuming, and you wouldn't necessarily get exactly the same match all the way around. So for the sake of a couple of very small chips, we just thought it would be best to colour those in with black paint, so they're certainly not noticeable until you go right up to it. But yeah, having a look around the rest of the bodywork, you'll see it's completely free of any marks, no scratches or anything like that at all. Absolutely beautiful condition. All the rear bumper completely free of any chip marks or anything across there. Boot area also completely free of any loading scratches. The car features an electric tailgate. We'll just have a quick look on the inside of the car. Boot area is beautiful. Carpet's all lovely and clean. All the load area around here completely free of any scratches or anything like that. All absolutely fantastic condition. You also have the load area fixing kit that we see here, and your locking wheel nuts and front towing eye as well. Another great feature on these 3 Series estates is that you can pop the top window just to be able to put shopping in and things like that. Very useful feature. And just coming around and having a look at the inside of the car, as you'd expect for the mileage, all in absolutely beautiful condition. You've got a 40-40-20 split in the back, so you can fold the middle seats down, and you also have the headrests that you could lock up into position, or if you're not using them, just have them in the lower position, and it does help with rear visibility. Seat backs all completely free of any scuff marks all in beautiful condition. This car has the storage pack, so you have magazine nets on the back. Also has the Harman Kardon stereo system, so you have the silver speaker grills in the back, and additional tweeters in the front. Very, very nice system, excellent sound quality, as you can see there. Seats, absolutely beautiful condition, even the driver's seat, completely free of any bolster wear or anything like that, as you'll see. Leather all in fantastic condition. Just having a look down here, we have automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers. You have all of your controls for your satellite navigation and telephone and audio controls. You also have paddle shift gear change and cruise control on this side of the steering wheel. Steering wheel itself, the nice 3-spoke M Sport chunky steering wheel, really lovely. And then if we come through to the front here, you can see the automatic gear selector, your iDrive with handwriting recognition, and all the buttons for your drive mode, as well as the front and rear parking sensors. This car also has the visibility package, so you have adaptive xenon headlights. We also have high beam assist here, so the car will automatically dip the headlights when cars come towards you at night, and then put them back on as they drive past. The car is also equipped with the full professional satellite navigation. This also gives you the black panel display, which is a digital readout here. It changes depending on what mode you're in, and displays all the information about your trip. Up to the main screen itself, we have DAB digital radio for the media system. We also have connections for your external devices. This can be done by USB, by clicking the phone into its cradle, Bluetooth, and auxiliary as well. Certainly something worth noting: if the car does not have the Bluetooth enhanced capability, then you will not able to stream from your telephone. This one does have that, so it basically just means that as long as your phone is in the car, you can play podcasts and music, you can link it to Spotify and things like that, and it'll work directly through the system. CD player and DVD player in the front as well. This basically turns the main screen here into a DVD player, and then we also have something called Music Collection, which is an onboard hard drive within the car that you can download your music onto, and then just use it straight from there. Also features the widescreen satellite navigation. This covers you for the whole of Western Europe, as well as having all of your traffic reports and rerouting and things like that. Beautiful and easy to use. Will accept full postcodes, and again you can use that using the handwriting recognition. And we also have Bluetooth telephony on here as well, for voice calls. Just coming through to the vehicle information while we're on this screen, we're able to come in here onto the status area, and sorry, just losing a bit of light on the screen. We are able to check the tyre pressures for the car. They're individually monitored, and then also see any servicing requirements that are coming up anytime soon. There's absolutely nothing until May 2019, end of May, beginning of June 2019, which is the next MOT. The brake fluid service is not due until July 2020. Same with the engine oil service, or 17,000 miles, depending on which one comes soonest. Vehicle check in 2022. Front brake pads have recently been done, they're 50,000 miles, and rear brake pads 70,000 miles. So absolutely nothing for the new owner to do at all. The tyres are all in exceptionally good condition, and all the servicing is up to date. Just coming through here for the rest of the specification, we have dual zone climate control, so separate independent temperatures for driver and passenger, and we also have 3-stage heated seats for driver and passenger also. Interior is as it should be for a car that's only done 19,000 miles. Absolutely perfect, beautifully well looked after. All the stitching and everything like that on the doors and the seats and around the area, all good. No marks on the dashboard, all in exceptional condition. I hope you found the video useful. This is an absolutely stunning car. You can inquire with confidence that there really is barely a mark on it at all. Like I said, other than probably the odd tiny little stone chip here and there, and obviously just the few chip marks on the alloy wheel that I did mention and point out to you. Yeah, absolutely stunning. Condition-wise, it's like I said, it's pretty much as new, and that is throughout the car, inside and out. If we can help with any further information, please do contact us through our website, which is influencecars.co.uk. I'd be more than happy to help you with any questions you may have, or organise a finance quotation for you, or value a part exchange. In the meantime, thanks very much again for watching, and we will see you again next time. Thank you again.